In this video, I'm going to show you 6 ways you can profit from your creativity during a recession. Let's wrap this series up. The 5th way a designer can survive a recession is to sell yourself. Go through all your design books and equipment to pick out the things you no longer want or need. If the pile includes working or valuable items, then sell them on eBay. Remember, one man's trash is another man's treasure. If you photograph, illustrate, or paint in your free time, then turn your hobby into an additional revenue stream. Sell your work in galleries or on your website, and upload your images to stock houses like iStock to reap the financial rewards of a popular image. And another way to profit from your creativity is to upload your images onto websites like cafepress.com that sell and print images on t-shirts, mugs, hats, etc. Talking inventory, if you take the time to evaluate how every aspect of your business is run, you will find there are hundreds, if not thousands, of additional ways to save and make money. From lowering the heat and wearing an extra sweater, to using ceramic mugs instead of purchasing disposable cups. All of these little steps can help make a bad situation just a little bit better. If you'd like to share your tips on saving and making money during this recession, please comment them down below. And that was part 5 of the 5-part series on how a designer can survive in the middle of a recession. If you got value from this series, then smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out our last series on how to write the perfect design proposal. Just tap the screen right there. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!